Imagine a world where the highest court in the land had never seen a woman justice. How different would our legal landscape look? Sandra Day O'Connor shattered that glass ceiling, forever changing the course of the Supreme Court. But what exactly was her impact? Let's dive in. Born in El Paso, Texas in 1930, Sandra Day O'Connor spent her formative years on a cattle ranch in Arizona. After graduating third in her class from Stanford Law School, she faced gender discrimination while seeking employment, an experience that would shape her future rulings. Fast forward to 1981. President Ronald Reagan made a promise to appoint the first woman to the Supreme Court, and he saw that promise fulfilled in Sandra Day O'Connor. Her appointment was a monumental step forward in the fight for gender equality in the United States. During her tenure, O'Connor held a unique position in the court. Known for her moderate views, she often held the swing vote in many landmark cases. She was instrumental in upholding the principles of federalism and states' rights, reshaping the balance of power between the federal and state governments. In the realm of sex discrimination, O'Connor's rulings were a reflection of her personal experiences and her belief in equal opportunities. For instance, her decisive vote in the case of United States v. Virginia in 1996 forced the Virginia Military Institute to accept women, thus breaking down another gender barrier. On the controversial issue of abortion, O'Connor played a crucial role. Her stance on maintaining the core holding of Roe v. Wade in the case of Planned Parenthood v. Casey in 1992 reaffirmed women's reproductive rights, marking a key moment in the fight for women's rights. O'Connor's influence also extended to voting rights. She was pivotal in upholding the Voting Rights Act in the case of Georgia v. Ashcroft in 2003, safeguarding the rights of minority voters. Religion, too, was a topic O'Connor tackled with nuance. Her endorsement of the endorsement test in the case of Lynch v. Donnelly in 1984 set a precedent for the separation of church and state, shaping the legal framework for religious freedom. O'Connor retired in 2006, but her legacy lives on. She set the stage for future female justices, paving the way for the likes of Ruth Bader Ginsburg, Sonia Sotomayor, and Elena Kagan. So what does Sandra Day O'Connor's legacy mean for future generations? It means a Supreme Court that recognizes the voices and rights of all citizens, regardless of gender. It means a court that strives for balance and fairness. Above all, it's a testament to the power of breaking barriers and challenging the status quo. Sandra Day O'Connor was not just the first woman on the Supreme Court. She was a force that changed the course of history.